Mina-san Ohayougozaimasu. Look who's backpacking with us today. Say hi, Akiko.
Hi everyone.
I asked her if she wouldn't mind being part of my YouTube vlog, and she said,
Yes.
confusing, right? But I'm used to it by now. She said yes, which for us means yes, she minds, instead of no, I don't mind, right? But in her Japanese brain, she's
My
answering if
Japanese
she
brain?
agrees what I'm asking for. So her yes means I agree to be in your video. So we need to avoid using negative questions. It will protect you from a lot of trouble.
Yes, it will.
Kind of a grammatical Japanese trap. Actually, this is not only a language issue, but a cultural one, right?
Right, I agree with you.
So, Akiko, I have some questions for you.
Question for me? You didn't tell me this part.
When we first met, what was the first thing you noticed about me? I already know, but tell everyone.
Oh, you are tall and big. Especially you are wearing a big long coat. So I thought so big you are looks like a big black bear.
A black bear? I didn't knew that. Yes, I was using a black coat, it's true. This is unexpected though.
And you talk a lot. A talking bear.
Ah, yes, that one I know. Just I was excited to meet you and I thought you were very beautiful then, in your black office suit.
Oh, thank you. Wait. Then, how about now?
Oh, wait, something happened here. You saw?
Smoke, right?
Okay, sorry, you were saying?
I was saying, how about now?
Now too, of course, always. Okay, let me move to the next question before I get into any more trouble.
Okay, go.
Let's see. When is the time you think, I'm so glad I married a foreign husband?
I can eat pastel nata during birthday party.
What? Birthday's not that. Oh, really?
No, just I need time to think about it. Yes, I found out. So, in new things, we can find out each other. Yes, it's really fun.
Sorry, I didn't get it. Is it fun? What is new?
So, like a world, culture, and food, a lot of things.
I understand now. You mean because I'm from another part of the world, I have a lot of new things like different culture, different foods. Is this what you're trying to say?
その通り.
See? Not easy, guys, right? Good thing I'm here to translate things for you. Okay, next question. Are you ready?
Okay, there's more.
Yes, just a few more. Is there a habit of mine in the house that you still secretly don't understand to this day?
Can I say it? You asked for it. Is it okay with you?
No, okay. It's okay. Too bad, I'll just cut it out later, don't worry.
Okay. Can I tell you? I don't have hamster at home, right? But I find hamster everywhere in my house.
What? Hamster? What are you talking about?
So you are hairy, right? Like a bear. So I can find a lot of hair
Oh no.
everywhere.
Okay, at least you didn't say the bad Portuguese word I teach you. Okay, next question, and be honest, okay? Are you actually enjoying backpacking on the bike, or are you just doing this because you love me?
Yes, I am enjoying. Yes, I'm enjoying. And I love you, of course. But also scary.
Uh, yes, but I drive very carefully, especially when I'm going with you. But you already told me that you need your mouth guard, so you clench your teeth when I rev it up a little bit, right?
Yes, my teeth cover. I always need to bring my teeth cover. So do you have any more questions?
Yes, 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 yes. I have a lot of questions still. Let's see. It's the follow-up. So, if you should ship, if we should ship this bike anywhere in the world for a massive road trip, where would you want to go?
Let me think about it. Oh, okay. I would like to travel across Europe with you. Like the show you like, Long Way Home.
Ah, Europe. Okay, okay. Yes, a long way home. Those series were kind of the inspiration for me to start doing these videos on YouTube, actually. That one and Japanology. Okay, it's a deal. So, final question for our audience, actually. So, if a foreigner wants to date or marry a Japanese woman, what is the single most important piece of advice you would give them?
Bring flower.
Ah, it's true. I brought you flowers several times, right?
It's so cute and kind.
Okay. Anything else?
Let me see. So, yes, you need to love Japanese food, of course. So not only sushi and ramen, of course. So you need to eat rice every day and maybe fish and even natto.
Yeah, so only healthy stuff, right? So it's the for your longevity, right? So it's the Japanese longevity.
Longevity. What is this longevity? Is it English?
Yes, it means living for a long time.
Ah, I see.
Okay, let's stop here for today. Thank you so much for watching, and a huge thank you to Akiko for backpacking with us today. We need to bring her on the bike more often, don't you think?
Yes, please. I want.
If you have any questions for Akiko or for me, leave them down in the comments below. Please be respectful. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And share this video with your friends. Until we meet again, mata ne.
またね。